So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 view, like 1,000 view. Believe me when I say you're gonna be surprised. Yes, because you know I've been hearing a lot of things here. The amount YouTube pays for 1,000 views varies, especially when it comes to niche and no niche. And aside that, I think another thing that counts is how much the advertisers are paying, because I've got couple of 1,000 view pay on my channel, but they are of different prices. But I think this one is second to the highest, so that is why I'm going to be sharing it. For the other one, YouTube has not updated it yet, but I promise to come and tell you guys how much I earned from that one once it's updated. So this is the video here. This is the video. So I'm going to be going into the analytics to be breaking it down for you bit by bit, so that we can know how come about this pay. Then you tell me in the comment section if it's actually high or low. That is your assignment, so you have to watch to the ending of this video. Yes, so for those of you that is going to watch from the beginning to the end, there's something that I'm going to be sharing immediately after I show you the amount I earned from this video, which is there was a particular post that one of our big creator here made about 1,000 views. So we're going to be looking into that, but let us just go straight to the main business, then we get to that later. So guys, I'm going to be looking down my phone so that we can get it very well from my other phone. Yeah, I'm showing you as it is. Yes, so the overview of this video has gotten 1,120 views since it was published. Yeah, so how did viewers find this video? They find the traffic sources are YouTube recommendations, so it's quite low unlike before. Channel pages 150, other YouTube features, notifications and others. Now audience retention. Wow, this video certainly have deep. I didn't see it before, and the deep is very wide. Am I going to really end from this video? God, I'm scared. Okay, so you guys really watched this video. Share my people. I love you guys so much. God bless you so much. So the audience retention, it was watched for 3 minutes 23 seconds. That's massive. That's massive. Spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching or sharing. Yeah, I got a spike, which is very nice. Then I think that's that for that. So let us go to the reach of the video. I got 13.0k impression. Oh shit. That's massive. Okay, browse feature. How did viewers find this video? Like as I said earlier on, browse feature is 65.4%. Wow, that's massive. Channel pages 13.4, suggested video 7.0. The next video I'm going to be doing is how to teach you, is that I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own video appear in suggested videos. Okay, then this is, if you can't wait for me to drop that video, you can drop it in the comment section. I promise to tell you guys, because I want each and every one of us to grow, especially this new year that we're entering. Okay, now external sites or apps. I have WhatsApp 100%. Wow, who is the sweet soul? Who are the sweet souls sharing my videos to WhatsApp? I had to guys so much. I might not know you because YouTube will not tell me this is who is sharing, but believe me when I say God is going to bless you. God is going to bless you so much. Now YouTube search terms. You guys are searching for my name, Princess Chiamaka. 92.3%. See how the love is. Thank you guys so much. So now content suggesting this video. I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm trying to rush. Okay, the first video here is my content. The second one, I don't know. The third one is rivalries. Yeah, sorry mom if I don't pronounce your name very well. I love her so much, I watch her so much. Yeah, then we have this other person, and we have this last person. I don't really know the person, so let's just go to the next one, engagement. So for the engagement part, we have my watch time 63.1. That's massive. You guys really watched the video. Audience retention, I don't like seeing deep. This deep, it contributes. Maybe that was why the initial revenue decreased. Yeah, but don't worry, we're still going there. Yeah, so this is the audience retention, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Nothing much here. So let's just go ahead to the audience. The audience part, returning viewers 685. Man, I love you guys so much. Unique viewers 820. Wow, that's massive. 18 to 24, 11.3. Wow. 23 to 34 years, 66. Oh my geez. 35 to see, one thing is that every single thing, every single analysis here matters. It matters to how well your video is gonna come out, your video is gonna perform. Okay, then top geographies, this is where matters also. Nigeria, my sweet nation, 40.4%. I heart you guys so much. United States, my beautiful people, 8.2. I love you guys so much. And United Kingdom, 3.6. I think the CPM is gonna be quite high, yeah, because I've got people from the UK and the United States watching me. Yeah, so top subtitles and languages, this one doesn't really matter. Watch time from subscribers, not subscribed, 51%. Subscribe, 45%. So now we're going to be going to the revenue aspect. Yeah, the main deal of the day. So for the revenue aspect, how much advertisers pay for this video, which is known as the CPM. What is CPM? CPM is how much advertisers pay for 1k views. For this video, advertisers are paying $15.64 for 1k views. Now we're going to find out how much how much almighty YouTube is going to be giving me. Okay, now see how I'm earning. Earnings by ad type, which is YouTube ad revenue. I have skippable ad, 78.5. President General among the nation. I salute you guys, because if not because of you guys, I wouldn't have gotten this 78.5. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna be doing a sweet shout out to those of you that have been gifting me. Don't worry, I'll be doing that shout out when I'm explaining how much I earned from the video, so just calm down. A lot of shout out is coming out. Yes, I love you guys so much. Those of you that don't skip my ads, I love you guys so much. Now display ads is 19.0%. wow. Bumper ads is 1.6%. non-skippable videos 0.9. you guys should put in more effort. Keep watching my ads, okay? And I'm definitely gonna support you guys. The minute to get monetized and I come across a video and I see that you're saying please don't skip my ad, I'll definitely watch your ads. Yes, so let us go to how much I now earn for 1k views. Ta-da! This is it. So let's start from here. Revenue for every 1k views, which is RPM. Now this is what YouTube is going to give me after they might have cut. This is what they're going to give me. $8.14. That is what they're paying for 1k views, guys. Like when I even saw it, I was surprised, because I've had a video that they pay me $6 for 1k views. That is why I said you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be explaining that post. I will still drop it on the screen for you to see it. So I want you guys to know some things about this monetization and all. Okay, now this is how much I have earned, my estimated revenue. This is it, guys. $8.42 for just 1,000 views. Who does that? Oh my god, this video did so well. I don't know if it is because of the length of the video, because it is 16 minutes, but come to think of it, I still have another video in my channel that is 17 minutes, almost same average view duration, and that video I was earning $4 from it. So if you think that you understand more, you can as well drop it in the comment section. Maybe enlighten me small. Okay, yes, because why not? I'm open to learning. We learn every day on this YouTube stream. Nobody is perfect. Yes, as you can see, for this monetization aspect, I'm still trying to build myself to be a guru in it, so that I can be able to explain to you guys the way everything is in this video. So what do you think? Is the pay okay, or is it low, or have you gotten more than that before? Just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Let us share our knowledge together. Now I'm going to be taking you guys to that particular post that popular YouTuber make, and let's explain some things from the post. Okay, so guys, as we all know, the post is from Nunu Alexa. I believe most of us know her. For those of us that watch vlog, she has a vlog channel. She does vlogging on her channel. So I was so surprised coming to see this from her post yesterday, because God knows I have always seen Nunu as a very big YouTuber, and she earns more. Like, So I just saw this post. I'm going to be reading it out. That is the post on the screen. I hate to break it to you guys, but YouTube pays $1 for 1K views. That's when I saw the post, I was surprised because I've never earned $1 for my 1,000 views before. Honestly, don't worry, I'm going to be sharing with you, I think, for each video how much I earn per dollar, so that you're going to understand very well. So then she come again. You can imagine why I am not keen on spending so much time filming and editing long vlogs on here. The reward isn't worth the stress. I'm sorry. Actually, I felt very bad for her, because those of you that post vlog, I salute you guys, because the energy, the time to edit every single thing, you guys are really trying, and it feels so bad when you're not earning as you're working. Yes, it's just like this adage that said, working like an elephant and earning like an ant, which is never going to be our portion. But that is just how YouTube is. YouTube pays some niches higher. Yes, like if we're speaking about money on YouTube here, you have a health channel here, or even this my niche. Yeah, I think YouTube pays this three much more higher than this vlog niche or lifestyle and vlog niche. Yeah, I think gaming also. So if you want me to be doing a breakdown video on how much YouTube pays per niche, you can also drop it, and I'm gonna prepare a video on that and brief for you guys, because why not, anything for you. So if you still have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will also be answering it. So guys, have you seen the reason why it's important to build your audience first before you seek for monetization? That is why I say on this YouTube shooter, don't try and do buru to the answer, because at the end you're not going to find it funny. Yes, there's one of my students, for the past 4 months she has not been able to earn up to like $40 or $50, and me, under 4-5 days, I've earned over $60, which I know a lot of people here have earned more and some have earned less. So this whole thing boils down on how you handle your channel. If you're posting consistently, it will tell on your revenue how well you've been doing. Though I know that a whole lot contribute to how much YouTube pays you, like the length of your video, the people watching you and all that, how much advertisers are willing to pay, and how much YouTube is giving you, which is your RPM. So a lot of that contributes to how much you're going to earn on YouTube. All I'm here to tell you is that if you are discouraged, you're feeling like giving up on your channel, YouTube is not for you, I've said it before and I'll say it again, YouTube is for everybody. There are no specific people that are meant for YouTube. YouTube is an open ground. Like the way everybody is rushing to TikTok, that is the way YouTube is. YouTube don't have favorite people. No, YouTube is for every single person. So do not give up on your channel. You can see how much I earned on that video for just 1,000 views. So you too, you can do it. You can get to that level only if you say to yourself, I'm not giving up, I will do YouTube. Do you guys know how many times I have wanted to delete this my channel, or how many times I have cried in my lowest that I don't want to do YouTube again? But today I am smiling. So that's gonna be your story soon. All right guys, we're gonna stop this video here because I don't want it to be too long. If you have not subscribed and you have watched to this extent, please subscribe to my channel, because I will not just encourage you, I'll be giving you tips to grow your channel. And if you have any question, always drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. If maybe it stays for like 3-4 days I didn't answer you, call to my attention, tag me, I will definitely answer you, okay? Because why not? I want each and every one of us here to grow. Yes, I did it, so you too can, though I know we still have a longer way to go. All right guys, bye for now and see you in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah.